Sony Xperia 10 and Xperia 10 Plus mid-range smartphones have been launched at MWC 2019 in Barcelona. Let's take a closer look at both these devices. Both phones are pretty much identical except for the larger form factor of the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. The two phones have a large forehead to incorporate all the sensors. There's a dual camera setup at the back aligned horizontally. Fingerprint scanner are situated on the right edge, while the SIM tray is situated on the left edge of the phones. The 3.5mm audio jack sits on the top edge, while the USB Type-C port sits on the bottom edge of the phones. The dual SIM Sony Xperia 10 runs on Android Pie out of the box and features a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with 21:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by the Snapdragon 630 SoC paired with 3GB of RAM. Internal storage is at 64GB with the option to expand further via microSD card. It comes with one 13MP wide-angle camera and another 5MP camera. The camera features include 21:9 video capturing mode, bokeh effect, HDR, hybrid autofocus, 5x digital zoom, 4K video recording, 120fps slow motion movie recording and more. Up front, there's an 8MP camera with display flash. The Sony Xperia 10 packs a 2870 mAh battery with fast charging support. Its price has been set at $349.99. The dual SIM Sony Xperia 10 Plus also runs on Android Pie but comes with a larger 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 21:9 aspect ratio and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor paired with 4GB of RAM. Internal storage is at 64GB with the option to expand further via microSD card. The Xperia 10 Plus also sports a dual camera setup but with one 12MP wide-angle camera and another 8MP camera. It has the same camera features and front camera setup as the Xperia 10. The Sony Xperia 10 Plus packs a larger 3000 mAh battery with fast charging support. Its price has been set at $429.99. Both phones will be available in black, gold, navy blue and silver color options and will go on sale in the US on March 18. There's no word on India price and availability as of now. While you're at it, do check out this great video from MWC show floor as well as this one. If you like our videos, do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.